Lamborghini is going to get in on the electric vehicle craze. You may not have expected such a thing. Some companies have been somewhat resistant. Ferrari didn't really want to do it. And the other thing is with a Lamborghini, you want to hear it from like a mile away, like brrr. That's half the thing. But it was only a matter of time. Lamborghini is going electric with the new GT. Prior to going electric, what they're going to do is transition to hybrid setups. Apparently by 2024. The current lineup of the Huracan, Aventador, and Urus will feature hybrid powertrains that will reduce the company's CO2 output by 50%. So they'll be 50% more environmentally sound than the current models, and presumably they'll still have some noise to them, some gurgle, some low end.
Some burps.
Maybe even some burps. And then eventually they're going to get real crazy and put out this 2+2 GT Coupe model, which will be a 4-seater. And that baby's going to be electric.
Nice.
I have to look into that. Oh. Especially with 4 seats. That's cool. The 4-seater supercar is kind of cool. Lamborghini expects to sell quite a few of these, but not as many as they're selling of the Urus, because everybody's buying SUVs, even when it comes to supercars. What struck me in this article as well is how few units Lamborghini actually sells. In 2020, they sold 7,430 cars worldwide.
Oh.
And 4,391 of those were Urus SUVs. So that only leaves you with 3,000 real Lamborghinis. It's a relatively small number. Mm-hmm. Of course, Will, that they were acquired a while back by VW. And VW is transitioning rapidly themselves into the electric realm. So it only makes sense you do the same over here. So I'm mostly curious about that 2x2 GT Coupe, but that's not going to be till even later. So we got to wait a little while.